Okay, question number 4. Start the timer. Right. A car takes 20 minutes. Time is given there to climb a hill at a constant speed. Constant speed. It's not accelerating. The mass of the car is given here. And the car gains a gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy at the rate of 6 kilowatts. See, remember this is not energy. This is power which is given to you. Take the acceleration of the gravity to be 10. What is the height of the hill? So what do we do here? So we know that mgh divided by t is nothing but power, which is already given as 6 kilowatt, 6000 over here. So what is here? Let's plug in the values, that's it. Which should be 1200 multiplied by 10 multiplied by h divided by time. What is time? 20 minutes, which should be 20 into 60. So what do we get here? 60 into 20 is nothing but 1200. So this goes away. So this implies 6000, or h should be equal to 600 meters. So the answer is C. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let us move on to question number 5.